In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password. So once you open your Facebook application, just click here. And then you have two options to find the change password. So the first one is scroll down until you find the settings and privacy in here. And then click on settings. But to make it easier, just go ahead and click the gear icon at the top. And then you will be directed to this account. And then you will now see the option here, password and security. And then under password and security, you can find here the change password. Just click that one and you can now change your password by putting your current password and then click your new password and then re-enter your new password and click on upload password. In case you forget your current password, just go ahead and click on forget password and then just follow the step and continue the process. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.